Good morning, traders. Hope you guys ended your week on a strong note. We certainly did today. Haven't had a red day in a little bit of time. Today was a little unconventional. We've been shorting into that euphoria, shorting into the overextension. It's the same thing, but it's buying the fear. Both are taking advantage of those emotional traders. Those that are buying the FOMO, buying stocks as they're going up forever and ever and ever. That's when you start shorting. The flip side of that is panic selling. You want to take advantage of that emotional move as well. Start picking up the stock on the long side. So that's what we did today. Did a pretty good job. I'm excited to show you guys. Let's get straight into it. WTRH buying this fear right now. Little starter position here. We'll see if this one can get a little pop. A few more I want to be taking a look at. I'm going to turn my attention to a few more popping on up here. I'm going to go ahead and lock in. Those shares right there on WTRH. Attention is everywhere right now. WTRH went ahead and locked that in. Just buying the fear. Popped up on the negative intensity scanner. So it's the same thing. We just buy fear. We sell euphoria. Let's see what else is going to be popping on up. All right, I'm in DXC. Just 50 shares here. Buying the fear here. This is what we're doing, guys. Want to add to this. Let's get a little bit lower. Get a little bit lower. A little bit more panic. There we go. Perfect. Got another 50 shares in. This is what we got to do, guys. We got to buy fear and sell euphoria. Okay, and I just sold those on that pop back up. But now that I can see these arrows, those two ads right there were way too close to each other. Wasn't a fan of that. Was not a fan of that. ASRT, this is an example of one that's selling on off, but it's slow. We got to have it fast. That's what we're looking for. Fast. It's just panic. We're looking for panic. We want to see panic selling. Lots and lots of panic selling. So that's what I'm looking for right now. WTRH. This one's getting a great bounce on a WTRH. Here's something I want to show you guys. RKDA, for example. I would traditionally in the past trade something like this because I'd see a cup and handle. See this pattern forming and say, okay, this looks like a good pattern. Let me get into this position. Would probably get into it right around this area when the trade was comfortable. You cannot trade when it's comfortable. That's when you're going to mess up a lot. I did that all the time. Oh, head and shoulders. Oh, bear flag. Oh, bull flag. This, that, and another. When I just started trading objectively, this is overbought. This is oversold. Buy fear, sell euphoria. That's when the trading started turning around for me. Yeah, there is, a little bit more risk because you're getting in on the emotional side, and that's why I start these a lot smaller. So I'm not risking as much. But guys, I think your trading will turn around if you consider that. Not necessarily just trading the pattern, trading what is objective. So definitely really excited about my trading, about where it's going. I just got to make sure on the day that the stock isn't going my way, we manage it well. Now, I've been really thinking and considering that. And I got a plan. We got a plan. Not going to let any of these stocks get out of hand. Definitely going to have a risk. A dollar amount in place so that I never lose all the profit, that we're making here. We did good this morning, guys. Paying attention to these stocks that are overbought, oversold. Today was a day of buying fear. Didn't short euphoria. I've been loving to short, but it's just the same thing. It's the same thing. You short into overextension or you buy into something that's oversold. It's just the same thing. You're trading into emotions. Into the emotional side. Oh, these guys are panic selling. Let's scoop it up. Oh, these guys are buying FOMO. That's when you start short selling. So that's going to be it today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing Monday morning.